Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to draw a nice scenery, a woman walking through the banks of the river. Let's start the drawing from the top, and we're going to draw the river. The grasses you can see on the far distance, and also a tree we can see with a big branch and the leaves on top. You can see it's a nice drawing. All right, and the river, this is just the outline of the banks. You can make a random drawing. Okay, so it's nice. All right. In the end, you can outline a point in which the sea and the sky meets together. There's a sailboat you can see in a far distance, which is totally black. All right, another sailboat you can see, but it's a little bit closer. That's why you can see the few details, and the sail is little bigger than the other one. The smaller sailboat that's already in the water and going to some places, but the bigger one, this is just parked in the river bank. All right, some contour you can draw with this. The water, this is visible. You can draw a traditional woman who is coming to the river and going to her home, carrying a water jar which is resting on her waist. The village women, sometimes they wear only one piece of clothes, so the design and the graphical presentation of the fashion or the clothes may be variable from drawing to drawing. So each drawing has its own flavor. She doesn't have blouse in this case. Okay, now we're going to draw the feet as she is walking by, and the other feet you can see here. All right, so this is the basic outline I have just drawn. For the contour, we can put few hatches like this to show the variations of the heights and other soil characteristics. You can see it's making the differentiations of the steps. And now we are going to put color. After putting the color, you will understand the differences. All right, let's start the contour with this color segment to make a nice outline of the drawing. You can see here. All right, this is the other contour. You can see. And you know, the river banks, this is now fully getting visible. One more contour is left. Now we are going to put the colors and making the variations in depths. All right, so you can see the variations in depths. Okay, and we're going to put the light green for the bushes over there on the top portion for the trees. For the branches here. Okay. Few shades on the left side. All right, for the river, let's put the blue color for the waters. So the blue is visible in some parts. The drawing is getting really nice. All right. The boat, you can have a color, and we're going to put the orange color for the sails here. Let's draw the sail now. Also, you can see the other sail here. Okay. Now we're going to draw the girls here. This is dark black. All right, and also the round part. The jar she is holding, it's usually made with clay, traditional jar which is used to hold the water. All right, let's make the color of the dress the pink color. So it's a bright color dress for her. We can follow the wrinkles or the shades of the outlines and draw along the outlines the nice drawing. All right, okay. And the color of the body, we can put yellow for the best combinations. And on the hands, that's going to be yellow. And the legs here, the other leg. All right, so you can see the drawing here. It's a very nice drawing, and this is done. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. You can follow the playlist to see other drawings. I have put lots of variations, other drawings. So please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.